Hey guys, Garry Dean, RapidRideRehab.com, formerly DetailJuice.com. I have with me the brand new ultrafine clay bar that I have always sold, but it is now orange. So the biggest benefit of this clay bar is not only the quality of it, but the way that it works. This is an ultrafine clay bar, which means it's not going to mar and scratch up your paint. It's going to remove medium to heavy contamination and leave the paint ready for wax or sealant or coating application after that without creating extra drama that you've got to remove before you can protect. That's it. It's awesome. It's a 100-gram bar. My recommendation is to cut it in half and use a half at a time. Plenty surface area for your fingers to effectively remove all the contaminations that are creating bad reflections and rough paint. So if you need me, 813-846-4406 is my cell. I appreciate you giving me the opportunity to tell you about my products and for you to listen to me babble about them. And if you need detailing products, some of the best on the planet, it's not just my opinion, it's the opinion of many, many others. I've been around for almost 20 years doing this. When we were DetailJuice.com, we merged over to RapidRideRehab.com because, well, I do more things and I no longer want to be defined by detailing. I wanted to do more. So now we do lots of things, and you can check out all that stuff at RapidRideRehab.com. So thank you for your time. Have a great day.